All right, so self-diagnosis on the Lexus hesitation. Did a bunch of research on YouTube. I still got the VSC off and the VSC light and the check engine light. Check engine light's no O2 sensor. I'm going to try and reset these lights when I get back with the jumper pin wire. But what I did, because yet again, the issue came back tenfold. Missing, stumbling, not wanting to idle, just all kinds of stupid misses, and it just didn't feel right again. So I went home, I took out the VVTI valve, the OCV, oil control valve. I took it out, looked at it, inspected it. It looked like it was fine, but it's electric, so you never know. So I took cables to the battery and jumped it straight from the battery to the sensor. And I got it to engage, a few times. Just kind of on and off real quick, getting it to work. And I put it back on, and my car runs like a top. So anybody that's experiencing a weird miss at low RPMs, flashing check engine light at low RPMs, and you've already done plugs, you've already done wires, you've already done coil on plugs, and you've taken care of an oil leak you may have had on the valve covers that could have been shorting out your plugs. Take your OCV out, VVTI solenoid, just Google it, and take it out, look at it, run jumper wires to it from the battery safely, and just get it to engage the solenoid rapidly a few times in a row and see if that helps, because my car used to have a hesitation, and this is it now. Runs like a top. I'm going to get the exhaust finish up this weekend, get the O2 sensor put on. I'm going to reset these lights when I get back, and I'll have a video for that here in a minute. Alright, I hope this helps anybody that couldn't either get help or get the right info or find the right diagnosis for your issue. Talk to you later.